Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a hard candy Christmas collab put on by Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker and Lynda's Crafty Doodas and Poopas. So that's Susan and Bestie. They had the idea for us to do a collaboration on Saturdays in November, 3 Saturdays with candy. Candy isn't something that I typically work with. In fact, my friend Noni has loaned me a lot of the supplies I'm using, but I'm just having a great time with it. It's good colors when you think about candy canes and red and white, and then I went through my patterned papers and found some, and my washi tape and my puffy stickers. I just kind of dug around a little. This week I made shaker cards, and I am not someone who loves to make shaker cards, but I'll show you how I typically make mine. I use tulle and I sew them because I don't like to mess with the foam and the foam mount tape and all that, and I have just as much fun and it takes me way less time. Just as much fun shaking them, way more fun making them. I have some tags. These were sort of my tag sizes, but mostly I was just estimating. I thought this one was too skinny. I made this one fatter, this one skinnier. I just experimented. This is not actually a tag size that I own. A rectangle, then hold something up and cut the corners off and you've got a tag, and I hole punched it, and I love this one. I like how this one turned out. I put a silver doily behind it. I think this is the first time I've ever said, I wonder where I keep the doilies. It would look really cute right there, but it happened. Look at these little peppermint candies. These are made by Honeybee. Honeybee is an Oregon company, and it's honeybeestamps.com. And I just love these. These are adorable. Look at that. Merry Christmas, and they have the candies on there. And then I have candy canes on the paper and some rickrack. I thought that one, this one might be my favorite. I don't know. We'll see. We'll look through them. This one doesn't have a shaker, but what I did was I stamped with white ink on red paper because I didn't have a decent red ink that would emboss. So I stamped with white, and then I went back and colored it in and embossed over the whole thing again. So it's a couple layers of embossing. So it gives that shiny candy wrapper looking image. And then I took 2 of the patterned papers and put them on the mirror cardstock, and Season's Greetings in mirror cardstock too. I really like the layout and the idea of this one. You could do this with a lot of different dies. Anything where you've got 2 words and then you want to put something in the middle. So it could be happy birthday and a row of candles. This one, this was the first one I made, I think. I started out die cutting these swirly candy wrapper things, and then I had some candy canes and one of those candies from last week that I didn't love, and some sequins, and then I had some stars that were a similar color to some little candies. See, there's other candies in there. And I just filled it up and had a great time. And puffy stickers, look at that. So another fun shaker, and I like a variety of items in my shakers. So that's why I have some big paper items that are going to catch anyway. When you use tulle, you can't use glitter. That's the trade-off, right? Glitter is not going to stay in there. This one, I didn't put enough in it. I mean, I still like it. I wouldn't toss it out or anything, but it just doesn't have enough. I have some candy canes, some little candies. The Honeybee ones are a little brighter and have some pink in them. These are a different kind. And sequins and some little star sequins. And then I glued this candy over here just because I was trying to take up some of that open space, and put some puffy stickers and some more puffy stickers. And then a tiny Merry Christmas on washi tape. These tiny stickers aren't necessarily something I would have chosen, but I really like that it lets you decorate your whole card and then have your tiny sentiment. So 3 shakers and just a cute candy layout. I hope you got some inspiration here. Be sure to check out the other collaborators in a hard candy Christmas collab. The hashtag is down below. You could follow the hashtag or the links. It's not a card collab. So if you're not a card maker, don't think that, well, you probably didn't make it this far, right? But you will get all sorts of ideas, not just cards. There were a lot of really neat 3-dimensional projects last week. Check out the other collaborators and see what they came up with. I hope that you found some inspiration in my mismatch shakers. I just love to throw different stuff in there and see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.